Okay, so once you take a quiz or complete a form, you'll be able to see not only your form that you made, but the responses of people that you collect their responses. So this was the form created by Carter and Ashley, and they did a good job of naming their form, and I can see exactly who collaborated on this. So when you go to responses, the breakdown of Google Forms will show you some statistics. It will show you the average number of points that people are earning, the middle number. So everybody basically did an average of a 57.5 on this, but that's fine. I told you that it doesn't matter what you score, that we're doing this as an experiment so that next week when we start doing marketing research or collecting data for hospitality and tourism, you'll be able to see the back end of what this looks like. So then he can also go down and see frequently missed questions. He can see the names because he asked for people's names. He can see names and scores, so your teachers would be able to do that. And he can also go down and see the statistics of each question. Please know that as a high school student, I want you to be able to advocate for yourself. So if you do take an assessment via Google Forms, I wanted to show you the back end of this so that if you felt that maybe the question was graded incorrectly or maybe there was a mistake in the answer choice, I want you to be able to professionally communicate with your teachers too and say, would you mind reviewing question number 4? Because, you know, I'm not sure why I got it wrong. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? Like, I think it's important with us transitioning to this type of learning that you see what it's like to be the teacher. And we talked about that yesterday, right? Okay, so that's the point in doing a graded form now. Based on your responses, you might learn that, oh, I didn't apply points to that question, or I didn't make that question required. So that's a part of the learning process too. So this is the back end of Google Forms and being able to review the responses that you get. And to go there, you would just go to your Google account. You go to the waffle. Yep, there's the waffle. And then you would go down to your purple forms. And you will see all of your forms that you have made. And that's how you get there. Cool? All right, so again, it ties back to employability skills. That's our standard for all of our pathways. It's our first standard. And being able to professionally communicate through Google Docs, Google Forms, and Google Classroom.